Hello and welcome to the channel Business Partner, your ultimate hub of business studies excellence. Whether you are navigating the world of IGCSE, GCSE, AQA, IB or CBSE, our YouTube channel is dedicated to providing top-notch support for all. We specialized in creating high-quality explanation videos that unravel complex topics and make them easily digestible for all viewers. Our engaging tutorial, comprehensive breakdowns, and illustrative examples are tailored to meet the needs of both students and educators, ensuring that everyone can grasp the fundamental concepts and excel in their studies. From exam preparation tips to in-depth analysis of case studies, our content is designed to empower learners with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in their business studies. So whether you are a student aiming to ace your exams or a teacher seeking valuable resources for your classroom, our channel is your go-to destination for enriching and enlightening business education. Subscribe now and unlock the door of educational empowerment.